The Insert Elements feature enables instructors or design teams to build interactive elements in their courses without any coding or HTML knowledge. In this video, I will show you how to create the element tabs. Let's go. Here is an example of tabs. To create, access the module. Select the new drop-down and create a file. Name the page, then click the icon as shown selecting Insert Element. Select tabs. Spend time checking out the question mark icons, as these can provide valuable information about best practices. When you are ready, build your content. Add a title and then content to align with that title. Continue also to the second tab and add that material as well. Once you have the both tabs ready, click Preview. If needed, you can also upload an image. Once I have inserted the content, I still have to click Save and Close so that students are able to view the page. To make any further changes to a published page, click the Edit HTML and look for the pencil icon to return to the Edit panel. And there you go. See how easy it is to create dynamic elements. Thanks for watching.